Hey everybody, it's Jerry Z with Rovithis Realty. We're in North Branford, Connecticut. My new listing, a gorgeous tri-level, one owner, 44 years. He's taking great care of it. Let's go take a look. This tri-level boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2 full living rooms, and a bonus. We got a sunroom off the back overlooking the almost acre property. Hope you enjoyed the tour of this property. If you have any questions about this property or any other, contact me, Jerry Z, because I want to work with you.